me for my ignorance, but who is Yanikua Rav Shlomo Yehuda? Can he be Moshe reincarnated?
This okay. I heard of this person. I mean, some people say, Christians mostly, that he's a Mashiach. Okay, that's let's keep the subject. I mean, if he would be Mashiach, and nobody would have any problem. So our sages explain that Eliyahu Hanovi comes before and announce Mashiach. So we don't need this Christian idol worshippers to tell us who is a holy, who is not holy. I mean, right? It's not for them to decide. And since Eliyahu did not announce, so most likely he's not Mashiach. Okay. So, but he could be very, very holy person. One does not contradict another.